Imagine a world where your money works for you while you sleep. That's the power of real estate investing. In the vast universe of investments, real estate stands as a shining beacon of promise. It's not just about buying a piece of land or a property. It's about unlocking the potential of that asset to create wealth, to create a future that's financially secure, and to create a lifestyle that's truly yours. Now let's focus on a particular facet of real estate investing: rental properties. Picture this: you own a property, and instead of it sitting idle, it's generating income for you, month after month, year after year. That's passive income, my friends. It's the kind of income that doesn't demand your constant attention or effort. You're not trading hours for dollars. Instead, your asset is doing the work. It's a game changer in wealth creation. But how does one get started in real estate investing? Is it reserved for the ultra-rich? Absolutely not. Real estate investing is a realm that's open to anyone, regardless of their current financial situation. It's not about having a mountain of cash to start with. It's about having the knowledge, the strategy, and the determination to make the most out of what you have. You see, real estate investing is not just about making money, it's about building wealth. It's about creating a source of income that's steady, reliable, and less affected by market fluctuations. It's about securing your future and maybe even the future of the next generation. So, let's get started on this journey. Let's unlock the potential of real estate investing. Let's explore the world of rental properties, understand the basics, learn the tips for success, and devise a strategy that works for you. Remember, the path to wealth creation is not a sprint, it's a marathon. A journey where every step you take, every decision you make, is bringing you closer to your financial goals. So are you ready to dive into the exciting world of real estate investing? Let's make your money work for you. Now that you're intrigued, let's demystify the process of investing in rental properties. It all begins with a simple, yet crucial step: research. You wouldn't dive into an unknown body of water without first checking its depth, would you? The same principle applies to real estate investing. Understand the market trends, the demand for rentals, and the average rental rates in your chosen area. Next, let's talk about choosing the right property. No, it's not about picking the prettiest house on the block. It's about finding a property that's in a desirable location, is structurally sound, and is priced right for your budget. Once you've found the perfect property, it's time to secure financing. Whether you're self-financing, taking out a mortgage, or seeking investors, make sure you have a solid financial plan in place. Now, on to the fun part: finding tenants. This is where your investment starts to pay off. But remember, not all tenants are created equal. You want to find reliable ones who will take care of your property and pay their rent on time. Lastly, don't forget the role of property management. Whether you're managing the property yourself or hiring a professional, effective property management is key to a successful rental property investment. It involves maintaining the property, handling tenant issues, and ensuring rent is collected promptly. Investing in rental properties may seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a real estate mogul. But it's not just about buying a property and renting it out. There are strategies to make your investment a resounding success. Let's dive into some key strategies that can turn a real estate enthusiast into a successful investor. One of the most important strategies is understanding the market. Knowledge is power, and in real estate investing, it can mean the difference between a good deal and a bad one. Stay informed about the latest trends and market conditions. Keep an eye on interest rates, economic indicators, and real estate market forecasts. Remember, it's not just about the national or global market, but also about the local market where you're investing. Next, let's talk about diversification. It's a common saying in the investment world: don't put all your eggs in one basket. This saying rings true in real estate investing as well. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of properties such as residential, commercial, or rental properties. Also, consider investing in different geographic locations. This can help mitigate risks and increase your chances of success. Now, on to contingency planning. Real estate investing is not without its share of risks. A property might need unexpected repairs, tenants might vacate without notice, or the market might take a downturn. It's important to have a contingency plan for such scenarios. This might mean setting aside some funds for unexpected expenses, or having a backup plan in case a property doesn't rent out as quickly as you'd hoped. Lastly, we must discuss the power of patience. Real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. Properties appreciate over time, and rental income can provide a steady stream of passive income. But remember, it's a long-term game. Be patient, stay committed, and the rewards will follow. With these tips in hand, you're not just a real estate investor, you're a strategic real estate investor. So we've covered a lot of ground today. Let's quickly recap. We've delved into the rich and rewarding realm of real estate investing, a frontier filled with potential for those ready to embark on this journey. The allure lies in its ability to generate substantial passive income, a secure and steady stream that can serve as a robust financial cushion. We started off by unveiling the potential of real estate investing. It's enormous and ever-growing, a testament to the enduring value of land and property. We discussed how real estate can be a wealth-building vehicle, a tool that can help you achieve financial independence. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and a keen understanding of the market dynamics. Next, we navigated the basics of investing in rental properties. We discovered that the process begins with thorough research, continues with careful selection of properties, and culminates in strategic management. We emphasized the importance of location and the potential returns on investment. We also highlighted that it's crucial to consider factors such as property condition, market trends, and potential rental income while making investment decisions. Then, we shared some golden nuggets of wisdom for successful real estate investing. We talked about the importance of having a clear investment strategy, understanding your risk tolerance, and maintaining a long-term perspective. We also touched upon the need for regular property maintenance, fostering good relationships with tenants, and staying updated with the latest real estate laws and regulations. In conclusion, real estate investing is a journey. It's filled with challenges and rewards, highs and lows, risks and returns. But with careful planning, diligent research, and strategic decision-making, it can lead you to the destination of financial freedom and prosperity. Remember, in real estate investing, the world is your oyster. It's time to crack it open and discover the pearl inside. Here's to your success in real estate investing.